Welcome back to C#.NET Tutorials. I'm Venkat. In this video, let us see the development roadmap of C#.NET or versions of C#.NET. So initial version of C# is 1.0, which is released in 2002, year 2002. Okay, next 1.1 released in 2003, next 2.0 released in 2005, and 3.0 released in 2007, and 4.0 released in 2010, and 5.0 released in 2012, and 6.0 released in 2015, and 7.0 released in 2017, and 8.0 released in 2019, and 9.0 released in 2020, and 10.0 released in 2021, and 11.0 released in 2022. 12.0 is released in 2023. That's the latest version of C#.NET we are going to discuss in this tutorial. And .NET version is 8 available as latest today. Okay, these are the different versions of C#.NET. And I have given the color coding just for better presentation and readability, nothing else. Okay, C# started in 2002 as a version 1 and now it is version 12 as of 2023. So this is the latest version as of now. For more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.